let us see the difference between private company and partnership business. The first point of distinction is registration. Registration of private company is compulsory, but registration of partnership is not compulsory. The second point of distinction is number of members. Minimum 2 in case of private company, maximum 200 in case of private company. Minimum 2 and maximum 50 in case of partnership business. Legal status. Private company enjoys a separate legal status. It is separate from its members, but a partnership business is not a separate legal entity. The fourth point of distinction is liability of members. The members of a private company is having limited liability. The members of a partnership business is having unlimited liability. Fifth point of distinction is implied agency. Do we find mutual agency relationship in private company? No. No member is an implied agent of the company. No member is an implied agent of a company. Next, in case of partnership, a partner is an implied agent of the firm. The sixth point of distinction is audit of accounts. It is compulsory to get the books of account audited in case of a private company. The audit of account is not compulsory in case of a partnership business. Management is looked after by the board of directors. The management in case of partnership business is looked after by the partners. Governing law. The private company is governed by the Companies Act 2013. The partnership is governed by the Indian Partnership Act 1932.